Hi everyone. So today I will be doing yet another pick a card reading, and the topic chosen is what do they feel about you. So darlings, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. If you have been a regular viewer, thank you so much my love for being a part of Viva to Live family. And darlings, if you are new, then please do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. Now we are actually looking forward for what our partner or the person who is on your mind is trying to tell you, or what are the feelings. So let's see what universe and angels are trying to help us and guide us with the message. So there are these three beautiful cards I have placed. This one is for group number 1, that is the purple card. The second is the guardian angel for group number 2, and this is the Moonology for group number 3. So if you want to know which card is actually calling, you can pause the video, take a deep breath and try and find out which color, which card attracts you the most. The timestamps have been mentioned in the description box, darling. So if you want to read more than one group, like you are attracted to more than one group, you can do that. If you're a cross watcher, then darling, depends, because it's going to be a collective read. Okay, so in the meantime, I will begin with my group number 1 and let's get on with it. Hello my group number 1, the ones who have chosen this beautiful purple card. Let's see what's in store for you. Darlings, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. If you've been a regular viewer, thank you so much love for being a part of Viva to Live family. And yes, let's begin with the read. Let's see what do they feel about it. So I will have this card placed over here and let's begin. Okay, so their eye seems to be quite attractive, is it? Love never gives up. I love being yours. Oh, that's so sweet. And timing is everything. Okay, now this is quite interesting. Let's see what the angels are trying to say. Okay, because we all calling in your soulmate. This person seems to be a soulmate. Okay, I'll have them here. And chemistry, that's interesting. So these are two cards as the universal message, what universe is trying to tell you also. So we'll have them later. Okay, let's try and find out what these energies are all saying about. Now, what do they feel about you? Darling, they love being yours. Okay, and they really want to spend a lot of time with you. There seems to be a lot of chemistry between both of you. That's the reason this person has immense love. Okay, and it's just that, you know, the vibe that I catch for these for your partner is they may not be vocal about their feelings, or they may not be expressive. Okay, I don't know, there could be an earth sign is what I'm catching for a few, like a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, depending on the sun, moon, rising. But yeah, it's like, you know, they want to tell you, but either they're shy or they are not ready to express it. Okay, but they definitely love being yours. They want to be with you. They want to spend every time, whatever moments are, they cherish every moment they have with you. And if you really want to know what they want to say, then their eyes are very attractive, or you know, there is a twinkle in their eye, or something about the eyes. It's like, you know, eyes speak. So maybe that is exactly, if you really want to know what they are trying to say, then through eye contact, or you know, the twinkle is something that will tell them. But yes, this person definitely loves. It's like, you know, I can actually get that vibe that, you know, I want to say but I don't know. Or you could be one such person who could be an enthusiastic, or a very optimistic person, or very vivacious personality you could be having, but maybe that's the reason this person could be shying off, or this person is not able to you know, just let you know how they really want. But yes, they love being yours. They love spending the time what they have, you know, whatever given a time, even if it's gonna be like for some time, just like for a few seconds also, they love that. Okay, now what the angels are trying to say is this person seems to be your soulmate. Okay, and there is a strong chemistry. If you think that, okay fine, this person is not expressive, they are not vocal, and you don't know what's happening, could you just say something? But yes, there is an intense chemistry you guys share. Okay, and that's exactly what they like all about. Universe, angels are also saying that they are your soulmate, so you don't have to worry. And even I think you know it, right? They are aware about it, but I think you know somewhere, like, you know, this is the one I want to spend my entire life with, or this is the person I really love being with. But it's just that, you know, this person is not being vocal. Then how do I get to know? Yes, this person loves, this person wants to be yours, and what they're trying to say is just don't give up now. Maybe they kind of think that at some point you could be giving up, but they are saying that just don't give up. And it's all about timing. You know, probably this is not one of the divine timings where things are meant to happen. Maybe for some there could be some responsibilities, there could be some work, they could be workaholic, or their attention has been taken by other work. You know, there is something that the priority seems to be something different right now. But it's not that they have forgotten you. They love you, they want to be with you because there's a strong chemistry. They know that you are their soulmate. That's the reason they want to be, but it's just they're waiting for the right time. So darling, have patience. You don't have to worry. So this person will does love you, and if you want to know how, their eyes is something that you can really find out. Let's see what the universe is trying to tell you, because you know, we now know what it's all about. And it says, how better can it get than this? It says, good things take time. I'm so sorry darling for the glare that's coming in, and trust the timing. So the divine timing is yet not around. That's the reason you have to allow universe to allow things to happen. Okay, and something good is definitely up at the horizon, but you being a very impatient person is what the energy I'm getting. But need not worry, just allow things to happen. Now that we know what they really want to tell you, how they feel about you, darling, they love you, there's an immense chemistry, they love spending time with you, they love being yours. You know, that thought also makes them feel really good. But for the entire thing, you just need to trust on the timing. Okay, there is a divine timing that will take up, and maybe they seem to be they are kind of caught up in some responsibilities. That's the reason you may be feeling a little ignored, or maybe you feel that they are not being vocal about it. But need not worry, good things definitely take time. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. Thank you so much, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed, and let's get on with my next group. Hello, my group number 2, the ones who have chosen this beautiful guardian angel. Let's try and find out what the universe and the ones whom you love, what do they want to tell you, or how do they feel about you. Darlings, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. Let's see what messages are all about. So I'll have them over here, and yeah, let's begin. So they say, I want to be with you. It's as simple and as complicated as that. Okay, so darlings, seems to be are you in a third party, or there are some complications, or you could be a little away from them for some reasons. Let's see, what else can they say? You complete me, darling. That's exactly what you want to hear, right? So yeah, you kind of complete them. Just thinking about them makes you smile. So now I'm sure you guys must be smiling. Okay, you are actually, this is what exactly you want to hear, right? And all I want is you. So this person, the person who is on your mind, the person who you have feelings for, definitely wants to be with you. See how beautiful the message is. It's like, I want to be with you, all I want is you. Both the messages are quite clear that they definitely want to be, but there seems to be some complications in your relationships. It could be either work front, it could be like being a third party, or some confusions, or I am catching these mixed vibes, or I don't know, I feel a lot of confused vibes. It's like, I really don't know what to do. That kind of vibe I'm catching. But rest be assured, this person wants to be with you. Okay? It's just there are a few complications you need to let go. Let's see what the romance angels are trying to tell you. And they're saying, love yourself first. Seems like you've been giving a lot in the relationship. You've been ignoring yourself. Is it, darling? Please learn to love yourself. Okay, learn to be a little selfish. There's nothing wrong in being that, right? Either there's been a lot in a give and take, like, in any relationship we kind of give a lot and we don't receive. Okay, or sometimes we receive but we don't give. But I think in your case, you have been ignoring yourself. You have been so much obsessed, or you could have been in so much of love, like you really want to be there for that person, or you really want, it's like, this person completes me, that kind of a vibe I'm catching for a few. That's the reason in the entire bargain you've been ignoring yourself. And angels are saying that, darling, do not do that. You need to love yourself. This person definitely loves you. This person wants to be with you, but what's the point if you are not taking care of yourself? So darlings, start loving yourself. Okay, love heals anything and everything. And ta-da, there seems to be an engagement coming in. So yes, you have this person wants to take that one step ahead. Okay, if now, because for a few there seems to be some complications, so if there is anything as such, maybe this person could be working up on that. And yes, this person wants to go ahead with you. Your vibration seems to be going a little up right now, so it's like ascending upwards. So something good is definitely coming up. But for that, darling, you need to concentrate on yourself. You need to start loving yourself. Okay, probably I feel for you, universe is trying to say that at one of the divine timings things will take up. Okay, that's the reason the first card was very obvious, where it's saying that they really want to be, but you think it's simple, but equally it is complicated. So they are taking time in solving that complication. Give them time. Okay, in the meantime, you can definitely start loving yourself, start taking care of yourself, pamper yourself, start being happy. Once you start being happy, remember, everything will start falling into places. Give them time. Okay, don't pressurize yourself on them. Either we kind of expect a lot, or there are some tips that could be taken for a few. Release. Okay, start sending lots and lots of love vibrations, because I personally feel love heals anything and everything. Okay, so you are, since your vibrations are going up, you need not worry. Things will definitely start favoring you. And because it's very obvious, they feel that you kind of complete them. Okay, and they want to be with you. They are very, very clear with it. And definitely angels are also saying that because they're so clear, there seems to be an engagement also that will fall in the future run. But for that, you need to give time, darling. You can't it's like, for a few, I feel it's like, now I want, or this is how I want at the earliest, or how long do I wait? No, darling, always remember the divine timing plays a very important role. Even you could have invested a lot, I know your patience level could be getting tested, but just allow, just hang on there, don't give up. Let's see what the universe is trying to say, because obviously you know what he feels or what they feel about you, but you are looking for what universe is also trying to say. So let's see what universe is trying to say. And they're saying more self-love. How better can it get than this? This is exactly what the angels and what the universe is also saying, that darling, you need to love yourself. Start taking care of yourself. You've been ignoring yourself. Okay, so how do you do that? Spend time with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Pamper yourself. Go for a spa, go for a drive, walking in nature. Do something that will make you feel good. You know, when you start dressing up well also, you feel good. Exercising, meditation, there are these different forms. So do that, you know, get a makeover done. Maybe that can also help you looking more beautiful and more attractive. So more self is required. And say, do I need to say anything else? It says love yourself, darling. Don't ignore yourself. You need to love yourself. This person definitely loves you. This person wants to be with you. This person thinks about you. There is an immense chemistry. There is definitely an engagement coming up. So yes, it's a yes, a win-win situation. But for that, darling, what universe is saying is, first you need to love yourself. I think there is a part of you that you have been ignoring. That's the reason universe is saying more self-love is required. You need to love yourself. And yes, if there are any complications, give time, because universe and angels have your back. They're working towards it. Okay, so trust in the divine timing. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to it. To hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind, and I shall definitely see you soon. So till then, darling, stay happy, stay blessed, and let's get on with my next group. Hello, my group number 3, the ones who have chosen this Moonology card. Let's see what the energies are all about. Darlings, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Life family. Okay, so we'll try and find out what do they feel about you. Quite an interesting one, right? We actually want to know. So let's see what are they trying to tell you. Okay, let's see. So the first card, darling, you're different. So there is an X factor. There is something that is special, is what the attraction seems to be all about. Then our time together is just never quite enough. They love spending time with you. Obviously, you're so different. There is something in you. There's something special in you. It's like, you know, you give them that beautiful vibe of being loved or being understood. I feel this person observes you a lot, is it? Because I'm getting that vibe that this person could be speaking a lot. Either, now there are two extreme people I'm catching. Now either your partner could be one who could be fun loving but at the same time observes you a lot, or there for a few this person just observes you. Okay, this person may not be vocal, but definitely it's like, you know, okay, I am listening, I do interact. It's not that I'm not ignoring you, but this person has a strong observation towards you. That's the reason this person always, like your partner always thinks, you know, you are so different, yeah, like, you know, where were you, or how I can spend time with you, and I love spending time with you. These are the vibes I'm catching from them. Okay, let's go ahead. They are worth the wait. Oh, so you need to, your patience level seems to be tested. You are, it's like, you know, you want to be with them, you're just hoping things go ahead. But darling, hang on. Okay, they're definitely worth the wait, and they're finally yours. They want to be with you. They are surrendering. It's like, you know, I just want to be with you. It's such a strong vibe that just went across, and they are like, I want to be with you. Okay, I just want. But let's see, there it's like, you know, but you need to hang on. Either they are focusing on their stability, security is what I feel. They are working towards it, because obviously when they want to give you that commitment, or when they really want to, you know, go that extra step ahead, because they know, they are very clear that they want you. Okay, and for that, obviously on practical grounds, I feel they are working towards it. Okay, that is the vibe I'm getting. That is the energy that is saying. Okay, so yeah, I'm quite happy. Let's see what the romance angels are saying very soon. So this person is gonna commit. This person is gonna let you know, or gonna be vocal about it. That's gonna be very soon. Oh, so you'd better, darlings, please stay optimistic about your love life. I don't know, you are giving up on it, right? Is it? Don't, huh? That's exactly what, okay, these are universal message. This is something I'll open up in the end, because we'll see what they are first trying to say, and then what universe has to tell both of you, okay, because we are actually looking forward it. So what they are saying is, angels are saying that, darling, you have to stay optimistic. Maybe you feel that I don't know, or you kind of for a few you could have given up also, or you could be getting those mixed signals from them, because it's like your friend. It's either they could be just treating you like a friend, but you are looking forward that, can I go, is it something more special, or there is something, can I expect like a relationship? Yes. Okay, yes, but for that you need to stay optimistic. Don't give up. I think you're giving up, or you have given up, because obviously when we don't know what is happening, then we kind of give up, and we are like, oh, you are that kind of a person who has been waiting, and now has come to at such a point where you want to say, can you just say a yes, or is it a no, or is it like a don't keep me like a maybe situation? Okay, so angels are saying, darling, be optimistic. Very soon this person will confess. Okay, this person will definitely say or will express their feelings, but for that you need to wait. Your patience level will be tested. So they are waiting for the right time. I think they feel that if they happen to see it so early, maybe for them, I think the energies are saying that it might not go the way they have planned. They could be very calculative. They could be a planner for a few. That is what the energies are saying. So they kind of, they observe you, and they don't wish to lose out on you. The friendship they share with you, or the relationship they share with you, is very special. That's the reason they say you're different. Okay, and they want to cherish that. They want to be, because if you see the opening, they say you're different and they are finally yours. So they are very clear that they want to be with you. They love you, because they, you kind of give them a complete different vibe. But for that you need to hang on. Okay, and for that angels are saying, stay optimistic. They will confess. They will definitely just see the love. Yeah, I mean, I just so love the way, see, I'm telling you, this person, your partner seems to be a very shy partner, or your partner is just very observant but is not clear, or a little scared to open up, but there is lot of passion between both of you. Okay, it's like, the minute even if you rest your shoulder, your head on their shoulder, you feel at peace, and they want that. They love that. They want to give you that security. I feel there's a lot of security and stability they're working forward for. But darling, just give them that time. Okay, let's see what universe is trying to tell both of you. Everything happens for a reason. When you have faith in universe, you can do less and attract more. So I think the divine timing is going to play a very important role. Have faith. Okay, don't give up on that. Start manifesting, darlings. The higher the vibrations you send, the more you will attract all the good things. Okay, so I'm not saying you may not be, but universe is also saying that don't give up. I think somewhere down the line you could have given up. That's the reason you seem to be a little shaken up. I'm so sorry for the glare, my darlings, but I can get them just a little so you can read. Yeah, so you will only attract all the good things the minute you have faith in the universe. Okay, that's the reason they're asking you to stay optimistic. Don't give up. Okay, whatever is happening for a reason. Just allow things to happen. And last but not the least, enjoy every moment. So whatever time you happen to spend with them, because they love that. Okay, they are seeing that our time together is just never quite enough, and you need to enjoy, start enjoying every moment. Stop having fights, stop arguing, send lots of love. Just sometimes I feel for you, the silence also speaks. It's like you're with them, and just holding hands and just walking also means a lot. That touch definitely speaks a lot for a few. So just be optimistic, enjoy, don't worry, release that stress in case if there's anything that is bothering you. Allow universe and angels to help you and start sending a lot of good vibrations. Have faith in the universe. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. To hit the bell icon, darlings, so that you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, my love.